Yeah, I was went to see my friend Peter at Cedarbrae Eye Doctors, and we started about technology and search engine optimization and Google reviews. I'd been working with NFC tags, didn't know a lot about QR codes, so I started doing a little bit of research, and I ended up building a QR code generator. And after meeting with him and so forth, and going to some other, oops, take that out. Going to some other businesses and seeing what their QR codes, I realized that there was QR codes are a little bit misunderstood. So the one I focused on with them was the Google reviews, and ended up building this tool, realizing that a lot of businesses, what they do is they share this URL up here and make a QR code of that. And now the problem with that is that when they do that, they're not getting directly down inside the Google Business Review thing. They're at the top level, just in the Google search thing. And what can happen with that kind of thing? And although, you can see Cedarbrae Eye Doctors here, some of your competitors come up in those search reviews. So having the right URL, which I did a bit of research on, place ID and so forth, tried to make it real easy for using this tool to um, find the business place. So for example, Cedarbrae Eye Doctors, you just do a search, it's embedded here, you click on it, it updates the URL, and then you can get a QR code. There's a bunch of other options here, but the thing I wanted to key on was this URL that gets generated. Okay, when you paste that into a browser, that's it up here, you get, watch this, right down into the Google review for that, excuse me, for that business. And so you get that in literally a few seconds with this and a QR code. Now there's a bunch of other options that you can do here. You can do sizing, and I'll do another video on some of the features here. But you want your size as big as possible, and then there's this quality score over here with clickable options, to maximize it. So that's it. If you'd like to give it a try, go ahead. It's free. And if you feel like it's helped you, there's also a PayPal link at the bottom. Thank you.